So this 1987 Rally Lawn Tractor. It's my neighbor's, the one I trash picked the 3.5 Brixton Stratton from. It has a 12 horsepower Brixton Stratton electric start motor and 3-speed transmission with high-low range. And so it has a 36-inch deck with 2 blades, and I'll do a cold start. So I'll just strap down the hood here and get the key out. Alright, so I got the key. Sit on the thing because it has a dummy switch. Put the key in. I put the clutch in. Put it on choke. This is actually kind of a two-hand job. So I'll set the camera down right here, and we'll see if this thing starts. It's in neutral. Let's see.
How's that Brixton Stratton for you? And this is a cold start. Just shots up in front. Let's see if it moves. Push the clutch in and reverse.
Down. Put the parking brake on.
That's that low idle, and it's back, and it has a lean misfire, so I gotta adjust the carburetor.
Well, yeah, so it just has the lean misfire, so I just gotta readjust the carburetor. But other than that, it runs great. So, till next time.